What's up, Pizza Punks? It's Missy and Alec, and today we are back at Cedar Point doing another vlog. We're gonna be here for 2 days, so we'll have lots of footage and all of that, so see you in a little bit.
Let's go, let's go.
We're like running as fast as we can to get the Steel Vengeance because we really want to ride it today, so. It's a 3.5-hour wait. We ran from one side of the park all the way to the other, so now we're contemplating if we're getting a fast pass today or not, so that's what we're doing right now. Decided that the fast pass would be better for tomorrow because it's supposed to be a nicer day and it's Mother's Day, so there'll probably be a lot more people. So now we're just gonna go get our little drink pass thing and we can have like a free drink all year, which is pretty cool. We just got off Maverick, which was lit, and now we're just gonna go find some other rides too. Gonna go get on the Millennium Force now because it's like 15-minute wait. We're basically just walking onto it. It's insane. We're about to go wait an hour to ride Steel Vengeance, but you know what? Who cares? It's worth it. Okay, I think they lied about how long it is because, like, it's maybe a half hour, so. It is so freaking cold out there. Like, look at my nose. It is red. My hands are red. It's like 30 degrees outside. It's the middle of May. Why? And we also got these fancy little things today. They're a little scratch-off ticket, and you can win prizes on it, so we're gonna scratch ours off and see what we won. $20.
Cedar Point admission.
$20 off an admission. I have a season pass.
Buy one, get one. Cedar Point admission.
Why do we keep getting admission? We already have a season pass. Anyone need a $20 coupon or a buy one, get one coupon? Because we got them. Giveaway. No, just kidding. Actually, I'm gonna take that back. I was kidding. Sorry, I sounded like a bitch. There's codes on the bottom of these little coupons that you guys can have. Whoever gets to use the coupon first, like whoever sees this first and puts it in and buys their ticket online, you get the coupon. This one is for a buy one, get one free Cedar Point ticket. I'll put the code up here somewhere on the screen. This one is a $20 off single day Cedar Point admission. I'll put the code for this one on here too. We are on our way to our hotel. We're staying at a La Quinta. I love that name because it sounds like a Spanish swear word, like you freaking La Quinta. So I'm gonna use that forever now. So, but okay guys, see you in a few minutes, probably like seconds because this is a YouTube video. You'll get to see our hotel. We're getting close to La Quinta. I see it. It is near. Dun 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 dun! That's not it. That's Andy's China Dragon. What is that? Here's our hotel. This is our hotel room. It's actually really cute. Here's the beds. And then over here is the bathroom. And it has a little closet. And look at this chair. I'm gonna sit in this chair. I just sat on the pillow. Whoa, this is a comfy as heck chair. Oh my god. Our view is not the most fantastic, but who cares? I'm not going to be standing here looking out my window. I'm going to be sleeping in my bed. This is end of day 1. Why is our screensaver on our TV grass blowing? But okay guys, I will see you tomorrow morning. What's up, pizza punks? It's Missy and Alec, and we're sitting in a photo booth in Cedar Point because this is the quietest spot I could film. So this is day 2 of lots of stuff to show you guys. We are literally walking onto the rides like there's nobody here. It's crazy. But yep, see you guys in a little bit. Really cold and really windy. Now we're up on top of the sky ride, going across the park. Take a look at this. Well guys, today was a lot of fun. We basically walked onto every single ride besides Steel Vengeance. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed. Have a super duper fantastic day. Mwah.